Adirondack Park is unique in that it's the largest state park in the Union, but it's almost an experiment in that when they created this thing and set the boundaries, it's about half and half public and private.
Not improved road, travel at your own risk. And we traveled at our own risk. That was awesome.
For a BDR-X, this is a long route. Actually very close to some of our shortest classic routes. It's going to take you 4 to 5 days to do.
My favorite part of this whole ride, honestly, is the banter. Turn your comms down. There's going to be some language.
Heavy rainfall years or months, this route's going to be a lot more challenging. You're going to have some deep water crossings, more mud, more slick rocks.
Totally smells like shit. Oh.
So this is the start of Houlihan Road, which we've been promised is somewhat spicy.
We definitely had a habanero spicy pepper in there. We had a little Thai chili pepper in there. So we had 2 little peppery spots, but I feel like I rode like a bossette.
I feel like this is a really great route. We need more motorcycles in the Adirondack. It's a great day to be on a motorcycle, that's for sure.
You only get so many special days in the year riding, and this is one of them. I am so blessed. This is just a gift all day.
It felt good to be back in New York. I knew this route was coming. I had total confidence that the team that was putting it together was going to nail it, and they did. I want to come back and ride it again, and I will.